And get ready for another round number four. Now, baby, sinking back as grab yourself into
Ayan, isa na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Pasok pa din. Ay, nagandang dalawang pinakapasok. Sila, magpapulong tayo sila kay Ate Rick. Number 9, si Ate Rick. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And immortal si Ate Rick.